A very pleasant morning to one and all. Hello guys, welcome to the online platform of Sri Academy. This is the lecture for class 7 8. As you know, nowadays I am teaching chapter 6. Chapter name is Algebra, and I already told you so many important facts related to algebra, but today I will tell you some formulas and solvation of that very formulas on this exercise. So, without taking too much time, I want to start today's question. At first, I will tell you the formulas of algebra. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. 2a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Okay. So question number 1 is to find each of the following product: x plus 6 and in another brackets x plus 6. Okay. This is the slide for only question, and in the next slide I will show you answer. So answer is here x plus 6 and in another bracket x plus 6. You write is x plus 6 whole square, and what is the formula for x plus a plus b whole square is equal to? So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, means a is equal to x and b is equal to 6. Okay, a square means x square plus 2ab means 2 multiple a multiple 6, and b square is equal to 6 square. Okay, and you solve it. So x square plus 2 6 are 12x plus 6 6 are 36. Okay, answer is x square plus 12x plus 36. Next question is that 4x plus 5 and in another bracket 4x plus 5. You solve by previous way, means you write is 4x plus 5y whole square. Okay, and you solve it. If a is equal to 4x and b is equal to 5y, means a square means 4x square plus 2 multiple a means 4x multiple b means 5y plus b square means 5y whole square. Okay, 4 4 is 16x square plus 2 4 is 8 5 is 40xy and plus 5 5 is 25y square. Okay guys, all of you understand? And third question is that 7a plus 9b and in another bracket 7a plus 9b. You write it 7a plus 9b whole square, and after that you open it by the formula. On the a plus b ka whole square is equal to, so a square means 7a whole square plus b 2ab plus 2 multiple 7a multiple 9b and plus b square means 9b whole square. After that you solve it. So 7 7 ja 49a square plus 2 7 ja 14, 14 9 ja 126, 126ab and plus 9 9 ja 81b square. Okay. So next question you solve by yourself. This is also question, and you solve on the previous formulas. Okay, at first you understand, and after that you start solving. Now question number 2 is that Find each of the following products x minus 4 and in another brackets x minus 4. Means this is only question. In the next slide I will show you answer. So answer is here x minus 4 and in another brackets x minus 4. You write it x minus 4 whole square and after that you start solving by the formula of x a minus b whole square. Okay. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So you solve a square. A square means x square minus 2ab means 2 multiple x multiple 4 and plus b square means 4 square. Okay. After that you open it. So x square minus 2 4 is 8x plus 4 4 is 16. Okay. Next question is that 2x minus 3y and in another bracket 2x minus 3y. You write it 2x minus 3y whole square and after that you start solving by the formula of a minus b ka whole square. Okay. So a square means 2x whole square minus 2ab means minus 2 multiple 2x multiple 3y and plus b square means 3y whole square. Okay. After that you start it. So 2x 2 to the 4x square minus 2 to the 4 3 is 12xy and plus 3 3 is 9y square. Okay. Third is that 3 by 4x minus 5 by 6y and in another bracket same 3 by 4x minus 5 by 6y. At first you write it 3x so 3 by 4x minus 5 by 6y whole square. Okay. And after that you start solving for the formula of a minus b whole square. A square means 3 by 4x whole square minus 2ab means 2 multiple 3 by 4x multiple 5 by 6y and plus b square means 5 by 6y whole square. Okay. And after that you open it. So 3 3 is 9 and 4 4 is 16x square minus 2 3 is 6 5 is 30 and after that you class it. So 3 2 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. So 2 5 and 2 just 6. Okay. So 5 by 4xy and plus 5 5 is 25 and 6 6 is 36y square. Okay. Okay guys. And next question number third is that 8a plus 3b whole square you expand it. Means this is question and question is saying you expand it. Okay. So let's come on answer set. 8a plus 3b whole square you solve it on the formula of a plus b ka whole square. A square means 8a whole square plus 2 multiple 8a multiple 3b plus b square means 3b whole square. Okay. After that you start with 8 8 is 64a square plus 2 8 is 16 3 is 48ab and plus 9 9 is 81 or 3 3 is 9b square. Okay. Now question number 2 is 7x plus 2y whole square. You start it a plus b का whole square. So a square means 7x square. पेपर नहीं आया. A square means 7x whole square plus 2 multiple ab means 2 multiple 7x plus 2y plus b square means 2y whole square. Okay. 7 7 is 49x square plus 2 7 is 14 2 is 28xy plus 2 2 is 4y square. Okay guys. And next question is that 5x plus 11 whole square. You solve it on the formula a plus b ka whole square. A square means 5x ka whole square plus 2ab means 2 multiple 5x multiple 11 plus 11 square. 5 5 is 25x square. 2 5 is 10 11 is 110x plus 11 11 is 121. Okay. Next is that a by 2 plus 2 by a ka whole square. You solve it. A by 2 ka whole square plus 2 multiple a by 2 multiple 2 by a plus 2 by a ka whole square. Okay. A square by 4 plus 2 से 2 क्लैश हुआ. Okay. तो 2 and 4 by a का whole square. Okay guys, all of you understand? Next question is that you understand by yourself and solve it. Now question number 4 is find each of the following product x plus 3 and x minus 3. This is question, and in the next slide I will show you answer. Answer is here, x plus 3 and in another bracket x minus 3. At first guys you show the number is equal but sign is unequal. Okay, so you know a formula. Before starting I told you a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so a square means x square minus b square means minus 3 square. Okay, x square minus 3 3 is 9. Next is that 2x plus 5 and in another bracket 2x minus 5. 2x square minus 5 square. 2 to the 4x square minus 5 5 the 25. Okay. Next is that 8 plus x and 8 minus x. So 8 square minus x square. 8 8 is 64 and minus x square. Okay. Next question is also same. So you solve by yourself. Okay guys. You understand by yourself and solve it. Four x by 5 minus 5y by 3 and in another bracket 4x by 5 plus 5y by 3. Okay, you solve it. So 4x by 5 whole square minus 5 by 3y whole square. Okay, you solve it. A square means 4x by 5 whole square minus b square 5 by 3 y square. 4 4 just 16, 5 5 just 25, x square minus 5 5 just 25 and 3 3 just 9 y square. Okay guys, so all of you solve this all question on your spare copy and revise again and again. Okay, so thank you and have a very wonderful day. Stay home and stay